Hello students, today I am going to take your prose section Kurk from your textbook First Flight. This prose written by Locus Abrol. This Kurk is the smallest district of Karnataka, situated between the Mysore and the coastal town of Karnataka in the present state of Karnataka. Okay, this here in the top of your chapter, just you'll see Kurk is a coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. Here your writer Locus Abrol described very beautifully the nation could give us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka. The very specialty of this district is these districts have the tourist attractions, just like here you'll see lots of tourist adventure is there. Although it's the smallest district of Karnataka, this district is very famous for this coffee plantation, deep rainforest, and the spices. Okay, varieties of spices you get in this district, and this place has a variety of wild animal too. Now let us start the chapter. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangaluru sit a piece of heaven that must have dripped from the kingdom of God. Okay, this district is very much beautiful district, and this district is just like a piece of heaven situated in the Kurk. The land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and a wild creature. The inhabitants of this district means the people, those who are living in this district, they are very much brave and a warrior community. And the women of this district are very beautiful and very pretty. Kurk or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is the home to evergreen rainforest. Okay, students, the another name of the Kurk is Kodagu. Okay, it is the smallest district of Karnataka, situated, already I told you, situated in the midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Karnataka. Present state of Karnataka. Evergreen rainforest, spices, and the coffee plantation. Okay, the coffee plantation and evergreen rainforest. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. Okay, the geographical area of this district means that 30% of the geographical area of this district is covered by the evergreen rainforest. Means the deep rainforest माने उस जगह पे काफी घना जंगल है. Okay, the 30% of this district. During the monsoon, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. Okay, during the monsoon time, it's not suitable for the visitors to visit this Kurk region. Okay, this place, because of the heavy rain. Okay, the seasons of joy commence from September and continue till March. The weather is perfect. The perfect weather to visit the Kurk is from September to March. It's the ideal time to visit the Kurk region. Okay, that time from September to March, the weather is perfect for the visitors to visit Kurk. The air breaths of invigorating coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under the tree canopies in the prime corner. It means in everywhere the coffee estates ना, जहाँ भी आपको वहाँ पे coffee estates मिलेंगे, और वहाँ के प्राइम कॉर्नर पे आपको जिस तरह वेटिंग सीट्स की तरह लगा के रखा गया है, तो विजिटर्स को आसानी हो घूमने के लिए, या तो बरसात हो उससे बचने के लिए, तो प्राइम कॉर्नर में कैनोपीज मींस वेटिंग सीट्स की तरह, जो टी गार्डन, आपको कॉफी गार्डन वहां पे जो लगा के रखा है, इट्स कॉल्ड द कैनोपीज ना. रूफ लाइक covering, just you'll see the right hand side in your book, it's the meaning is given here. Okay, now let's start the another para na. The fairly independent people of Kurk are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. It means here these people, the Corgi peoples are very brave people and very independent people. They are the Arabic descent. Here the writer Locus Abroad used the word Arabic descent. It means here they have a Arabic background. Okay, they came from the Arab. Now how we came to know that? They came from this Arab. Now see, look at your book, page number 90. In the left hand side, just you'll get the dressing sense. Nah? The way they are dressing, their dressing sense and the Arab people they used to wear this dress are very similar. Okay. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moves south along the coast and settled here, with return become impractical. Once, all we know that Alexander came India many times. Nah? And when his army, they were not able to return their homeland, and some of their soldiers, they had decided to settle there in the southern part of India. Okay. When return become impractical, means when return become impossible for them, they decided to settle in the particular place. Now we call the Korg. Okay. These people married among the locals, and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage, and the religious rites. Means, and when these people settled there, they decided to settle there. Slowly and slowly, they mix up with the local peoples, and they married with the local peoples and adopted the new culture, which are distant from the Hindu mainstream. Actually, these people, those who are living there, they are a Hindu people. But the Korgi people, they are not originally from this mainstream. Okay. Here the author used the word mainstream. Mainstream is a tradition which most people follow. The theory of Arab origin drawn supports from the long black coats with embroidery waist belt wear by the Korigos, known as kupia. Now, how we came to know that? Already I told you, their dressing sense and this Arabic people's dressing sense are almost same. That's why we came to know that they are from this Arab. And the another name of their dress is called, known as the kupia. Okay, their dress and this Arabic people's dress is almost same. Just look at your book, page number 90 in the right hand side. Just you will see the dress. Okay. Remember one thing, the another name of their dress is kupia, known as kupia. Okay, don't forget this. It resembles the kufia worn by the Arabic or the Kurds. Okay, the dress is almost similar. This kupia or this Arabic people who use this Kurds. Okay. Now, next para. Korgi home have traditions of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tale of valors related to their sons and fathers. Means the Korgi peoples are very welcoming and warm in nature. Okay. Actually, here the author used the word tale of valors. Do you know the meaning of tale of valors? Means a story of courage and bravery, usually in war. These Korgi people used to tell the story of courage and war story, their forefathers and forefathers stories, to their son और children. Okay, क्यों वो लोग ये बात बोलते हैं? बिकॉज कि उन लोगों को वो सब स्टोरी सुन के उनको काफी मोटिवेशन मिले, एनकरेज मिले. दैट्स व्हाई दे यूज्ड टू टेल द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस encouraging story or the motivational story of their fathers and forefathers. Here, the Kurd regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army. Here, the author used the word decorative. Don't forget this. The meaning of decorative means the Kurd regiment have received the maximum number of awards for the means the Kurd regiment have received the maximum number of awards for bravery in India. Here, again I am going to read this line. The Corps regiment is one of the most decorative in the Indian Army. Okay, decorative in the Indian Army means that they have received maximum number of the awards for the war field in India. Okay, not only that, the first chief of the Indian Army, General Karippa, was a Corgi. Means the first chief of the Indian Army General, he belongs to Corgi. Okay. Even now, Kodagus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Look, this line is very important. Even now, the Kodagus are the only people in India to permitted firearms without a license. Means these Corgi peoples need not any license to carry the firearms. Okay, just I want to give you some example here. You know, this Punjabi peoples, this they can carry this kripan, no? Or talwar. If they are in the full dress, they can carry. Just like Gorkhas, they can carry these kukris. They are traditional arms if they are in the full dress. Okay. Similarly here, the Corgis, they can carry the firearms without a license as per this chapter. Okay. The river Kaveri obtained its water from the hills and the forest of Corg. The water source of the Kaveri, it's from the hills of the Corg. Mahashi, a large freshwater fish, abound in this water. Kingfisher dive for their catch, while squirrels and the langur drops partly eaten fruits for the mischiefs of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in their clear water. Here in this para, we come to know that तो जो रिवर कावेरी का जो पानी है वो उसका सोर्स कहाँ से है? फ्रॉम द हिल ऑफ कॉर्ग ना, वहां से उसका सोर्स है. और जो रिवर कावेरी में जो पानी बहता है वहां से बहता है. जिस तरह किंगफिशर और आपको पार्टली ईटन फूड, कुछ खाया हुआ फल, वहां जो टूरिस्ट जाते हैं उनको एक ऊपर से वो लोग फेंक देते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट लाइन. Elephant enjoying being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahawats. Okay, the elephant, this in the water Kaveri, they used to enjoy this elephant, and here the author used the word mahawat. Do you know the meaning of mahawat? A person who control or drive the elephant is known as mahawat. जो elephant के ऊपर बैठ के जो चलाता है, he is known as mahawat. Okay, okay. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high-energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and the mountain biking. Numerous walk trails in these regions are favored with trekkers. Means all these sports and adventure sports are available for the tourists who visit Corg. Okay. Now, the next para. Bird, bees and butterflies are to give you company. Macus, Malabar squirrel, langur and slender Arab keep watchful eye for the tree canopy. Okay, this you'll get varieties of animal. Now, for example, bird, bees, butterflies, macas, Malabar squirrel, langur. These macas and langurs are almost the same category, but they are from the monkey category. Okay, and from the tree canopy means the visitors, those who are visiting this Corg region, while they are roaming in this place, these animals, they are watching from the tree. I do, however, prefer to step aside for a wild animal. You can find the wild animal also in the region. Here, the author used I do, however, prefer to step aside of wild animal. Here means here the author prefer to watch the wild animal when somebody visit the Corg. Next para. The climber to the Brahmagiri hills bring you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Cork. If somebody wants to enjoy the beauty of the Cork region, then he or she must have to climb the Brahmagiri hills. Then he can see the whole scenario of the Cork from the Brahmagiri hills. A walk acres of rope bridge leads to the 64 acres island of Nilsangadhama, running into Buddhist monk from Indian large Tibetan settlement at nearby Balyakupi is a bonus. Means here those who will visit there, those who visit there, they will see a numbers of monks. बहुत सारे साधु संत, means they are in their Cork, just like monks wearing here in this para. You'll get the next line. Monks wearing red, orange and yellow colored garments are found in the district of Cork. See, running into Buddhist monk from India's large Tibetan settlement at nearby Balyakupi is a bonus. Those who will visit there, they can, मतलब वो लोग बाल्यकुपी को भी देख सकते हैं, वो इनके लिए एक बोनस है. Okay, just already I told you, the mock in the red ochres and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and the soul of India here in Cork. Here, as already I told you, a monks wearing red, orange and yellow colored garments can also be found in the district of Cork. And a mix of diverse culture can be seen here, which represent the heart and the soul of India. Now we have ended the chapter. Now before I concluded this chapter, I would like to remind 5 points here, 4 or 5 points here. First of all, we have to know that the Cork is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is very much famous for their coffee plantations, spices, and these Corgi people for their bravery. The second one, the Corgi people or Cork are known to be a brave warrior people and very courageous people. Okay. Cottagus are said to be a Greek or Arabic descent. Means here the author used that word Greek or Arabic descent, means their background from the Arab. Okay, they came from the Arab people. They are original from the Arabs. Okay, and the third one is the peoples are very welcoming and warm in nature. These Corgi peoples. Okay, and the fourth is the Cork regiment is in India have received the maximum number of awards in the warfield, and the first chief of the Indian Army General Karippa belongs to Cork. Okay, and the last is the mix of diverse culture can be seen here with the represent and the heart and soul of India. Okay, now I will conclude your chapter.